In this video, we're going to talk about using your Hunter ADASLINK scan tool and setting up reports for when you do either a pre-scan or a post-scan. The first thing that we want to do is set up some options for your report. Let's start by selecting Settings. Once the Settings page has opened up, on the left-hand side, slide all the way down to where it says Report Options. The first option you have is the ability to turn off showing any modules that couldn't be communicated with on the DTC report. This allows the report to look cleaner, better, and it allows it to scan faster. The next option that you can select is prompt for extra fields when saving the reports. You want to do this because this gives you the ability to enter the VIN number, the odometer reading, a technician ID, and whether it was a pre-scan or a post-scan. The next option that you have is to include shop info. I highly recommend this. I want my shop name, address, city, state, zip, and phone number to show up on every report. Now, if you touch on any of those lines, the little keyboard is going to pop up and allow you to type in whatever the information is that you want to input. And the last option that you have is to include your shop logo. You can take a picture of it and import it in here. Now, the neat thing is, I don't have to set this up once. Once I've set it up, it will be that way until somebody changes it forever. Every report will always have this information showing on that report. Now that you have set up the report the way you want it, let's go see what it looks like. I'm going to select Diagnostics, select the vehicle package. Now select Read DTCs. I'm going to select all. So we're going to do a bumper-to-bumper scan. Now here's this report. I can now put in a report number. I can put in the mileage. When it comes to technician ID, I can put either a number or a name. And then select whether it's a pre-scan or a post-scan. Now, on this section of the report, please notice that in the upper left-hand corner, I can add images to the report also. So if I take a picture with the scan tool, I can import that picture of the damage or whatever directly into this report. Now, I'm going to select Save. What this does is saves this report into the scan tool. I'm not doing anything else with it yet, just saving it. Now, at any given time, I can select Saved Reports. When I do, I have the option to select which report do I want to view. I'm going to pick the last one. Here I have the option on how I want to view that report. I'm going to pick HTML Viewer and select the little button down here, Always. Now on the report, you can see all of the information that I set up at the very beginning of what I wanted on the report. So we see that this is a pre-scan report. There's a repair order number, the year, the make, the model, the engine size, everything about the vehicle, the VIN number. But look at this, a date and a time stamp, and the technician's identification, whether it's his name or a number. Also, I have all the systems that were scanned and any codes with a description on the report. We hope that this video has been informative and helpful when setting up reports so that you have exactly what you want in the report to hand to your customer. We'll see you again on the next video.